Alright, this is a quick video. Trevor is meal prepping for the week. He takes his lunch to school. He's still in the high school, but he's in the transitional program, so he likes taking his lunch. Any thoughts, Trevor? Go for it then, babe. Every week he makes his sandwiches and stuff. Trevor cannot use the stove to cook, but he can use the air fryer.
I love that being said, I love Rapunzel, and I don't like being called out in public. I'm a very shy guy. I don't seem like that, but I'm very, very reserved.
Like the corn to go into the bowls for 5 days. Alright, Trevor, what are you doing now?
I put corn in the fryer.
Okay. You got
Me a minute.
You want to do 5 and then check on it. Remember, we just tested. What are you doing now, Trevor?
I'm going to cookie wrap my chicken and garlic.
Oh, I forgot he loves seasoned salt. So just a little. I don't want you to get high blood pressure.
What do you mean?
Okay. Get sick.
I put in my corn on three bowls. Here you go.
With a veranda, so one of these up here, I think will be ours. So we kind of found out a little bit how it works here. So you come to this big area here and you sit down and you wait for them to call your boarding group. And we were boarding group number 2. It already started. Mickey Mouse. Oh, he's washing his hands. And the big slide.
I think we should put cheese on next. Red cheese.
Alright, this is my first plate. I wasn't really sure what to get. I got a little bit overwhelmed with like all the choices.
Yeah.
When I realized everything was kind of...
I'm on a seaplane boat ride. We're going to go see if we can go to Rapunzel, too. So,
Looks good. What you putting on now?
smells a lot like...
I put my I put meat
Meat? Okay.
in my garlic.
Cutting up that kid's food for it.
Okay.
I brought 2 bottles of champagne, so it's about to get real crazy in here.
Oh my. So let's see our
Fridge.
Mm-hmm.
Little fridge in there.
a little baby grenade for you to use.
Time to make a sandwich. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go!
And then very nice. Lucky road.
Dun, dun, dun!
Also, there's a you can separate the 2 rooms from each other.
One. Get a bag, keeps everything fresh
With this
so that they'll last for 3 days.
there's a person like moving that wall. And then a Spider-Man. So this is just the Avengers. Looks like some sort of a zipper.
Alright, this is the final, honey. You have a lunch bag?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you got? Cookies? Chip? Water? Go grab a sandwich? Do you need a spoon or a fork or anything? No.
No.
Okay, you can take the corn.
No.
Hey guys, he decided to eat the corn when he get home from school.
We left the beaches.
That's
Now
his
we're
bag.
back in
Say thank you for watching.
I think I can get a gravity on camera.